a soldier, a thing that prays, living on the things that live, unaided and alone, surviving in a hostile environment where only the strong survive. He must master or be mastered. Provide, protect, manage. For there are no pacts between coyotes and men. He is the dog soldier.